See here, clearly they given that given function is differentiable. The function which is differentiable means, shall I write which is continuous? Is every differentiable function is a continuous or not? Eighth one. So what is the f of x? They given f of x is equal to um, x if x lesser than or equal to 1, x greater than 1 means otherwise means it is must be greater than 1. So they given a quadratic expression that is ax square plus bx plus c, right? So if you observe all the options, we need to find a, b, c value, a, b, c. For that, in first coordinate, the first component, a is fixed. Just we need to find b value and c value in terms of small a. Okay, in terms of small a, that's all. Then how can you find b and c in terms of a? It is simple. It is simple. Clearly they mention given function is differentiable means what? Given function differentiable means what? At x is equal to 1, left hand derivative f dash of 1 minus should be equal to f dash of 1 plus. Shall I take like that? Left hand derivative at 1 should be equal to right hand derivative at 1. And also since f of x is differentiable, they given differentiable, f of x is a differentiable means, shall I write which implies f is continuous? Yes, every differentiable is continuous, so that shall I take whenever it is continuous, shall I take 1 minus is equal to f of 1 plus is equal to f of 1. This is continuous only, the left hand continuous. This is LHC at 1 is equal to RHC at 1 is equal to f of 1. Okay, so we can take, so two equations are there indirectly. One is f dash of 1 minus should be equal to f dash of 1 plus, right? So this is first equation. Another is here f of 1 minus is equal to f of 1 plus, nothing but what f of 1 minus 1 plus means. To check the continuity, you can substitute 1 directly. Before differentiating given function, if you substitute the given x value directly in given function, then that is continuous. After differentiating, if you substitute that, that is differentiability. Okay, when I substitute here, substitute in place of x1, yes, that is nothing but f of 1 minus. So here we are going to get, first I'm taking continuity concept. So that is 1 is equal to, now when I substitute x value 1 here, a into 1 square a plus b plus c is equal to 1. Finally, here we got one equation, a plus c b plus c is equal to 1 with help of continuity. Okay, so left hand continuity should be equal to right hand continuity here. So with help of that, so I have written, right? Next, this is a plus b plus c is equal to 1. Next one, with help of differentiable, like see here you can differentiate given function. What is f dash of x? F dash of x clearly equal to x derivative 1, x lesser than or equal to 1. And ax square is 2ax plus b. Yes or no? Ax square is 2x. X square is 2x, b into 1 plus c is a constant, derivative 0, that is. So this is x greater than 1. Now can I substitute after differentiating? How to find? How can you find a left and the derivative? By substituting 1 here. And you should equating both because it is differentiable. Okay. I substituted 1 directly. I'm equating these two because it is continuous. After differentiation, again I substituted 1. So here 1 is equal to 2a into 1 plus b, which implies 2a plus b is equal to 1. Okay. Student, all of you find this a comma or b comma c in terms of small a. Tell me answer. Yes, students. What is the answer? Answer. Already we got it. Answer. What is b here? B value.
1 minus 2a.
Which implies b. That's all. 1 minus 2a. So b is equal to 1 minus 2a. So like see here in the option 1 minus 2a, 1 minus 2a, 1 in 3 option 1 minus. Then we need to find c value.
C
For
is
finding c value, c is equal to
a.
right. Substitute a already is there. So a plus 1 minus 2a is equal to 1. 1 1 get cancelled. Plus c also there. And c is equal to a. So b is equal to 1 minus 2a, c is equal to a. So then the required option is first option, I think, right? First option is correct answer. Simple question. Use both conditions like continuity and differentiability. Right. Coming to next question. Ninth one, f of x they given like modulus x. Modulus x means you should take two conditions. One is lesser than 0, one is greater than 0. Okay, fine. Then after f of 0 value, clearly they given 0. Then f is continuous, and f is continuous but not differentiable. Okay, let us see the differentiable condition also. See, instead of checking continuity, it is clearly continuous. Obviously, see, it is continuous. Why? Because you know the function they given here. See, question number one. What is f of x they given? Two condition. One is modulus x bracket e to the power of 1 by modulus x plus 4 by 1 minus e to the power of 1 by modulus x. Here x not equal to 0. Here f of 0 value is 0 when x is equal to 0. This condition in the sense when x is equal to 0 here, f of 0 is 0. Okay, I have written the given function. Then see, we can check directly differentiable because you know here f dash of 0 is given, f dash of 0 plus is given. Nothing but here right hand derivative value is 2 or not. F dash of 0 is exist at 0. The third option they given derivation. It is differentiable at 0. Second option is not differentiable. Okay, let us check whether it is differentiable or not directly. See students, before doing that, all right, I do one thing. Modulus x will be there. Modulus x. When modulus x is equal to two cases, that is plus x, x greater than or equal to 0, and minus x here, x lesser than 0. Am I right? Okay, fine. Now what I have to do is here simple. If you want to differentiate, can you able to differentiate here? Yes. So I want to find like see f of x is differentiable, f of x not differentiable, they given. Okay, fine. I'm going to find here. This is f of x. See, it is simple to check. Okay, what is the f dash of x formula? Limit h tends to 0. Okay, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Am I right? Am I right, students? Yeah, this formula I have written here. Okay, in that formula, see, they're asking the derivative at 0, differentiable at 0, x is equal to 0. Now substitute x is equal to 0. F dash of 0 is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 0 plus h minus f of 0 by h will be there. Okay, fine. Clearly, since we know that f of 0 value, clearly they given 0. F of 0 value in the question itself, they given 0. Am I right? See here, 0. Right. Now I want to replace f of h. F of x is given. In place of h, x substitute h, h, h here. Right. I want to substitute h here. So modulus h, limit h tends to 0. Modulus h, bracket e to the power of 1 by modulus h minus, okay, sorry, 3 plus 4 by 2 minus e to the power of 1 by modulus h. Okay, minus 0 by h minus 0. Okay, or h value 0 simply. H, according to the condition f dash of 0 I have written. Now this is f dash of 0. I want to find f dash of 0 minus left hand derivative 0 minus. So limit h tends to 0. Can anyone tell that what is modulus h when h tends to 0 minus? Modulus h. Minus h or plus h? 0 minus means h lesser than 0. When h lesser than 0, modulus h is minus h. Am I right? Then 3 into e to the power of 1 by minus h plus 4 divided by 2 minus e to the power of 1 by minus h. Just replace modulus h by minus h because h is lesser than 0. All divided by, yeah, yes, all divided by h is there. Now what I want to do, I want to cancel this h. H get cancelled. Now you can replace h by 0, directly. So 3 into e to the power of minus 1 by 0. Okay, minus 1 by 0 plus 4 by 2 minus e to the power of minus 0. See, oh sorry, minus 1 by 0. Okay, what is 1 by 0, students? 1 by 0 value. Shall I write infinity? Yes, 1 by 0 is infinity. Minus 1 by 0, minus infinity. Okay, e to the power of minus 1 by 0 is minus infinity. Minus infinity means e power infinity. Okay, anyone say that what is e to the power of infinity value? E power infinity value. Yes. What is e power infinity? Firstly, infinity. Because e value is 2.71 all to the power of infinity. It is when this value is greater than 1, always it is infinity. Okay, fine. Finally, here we got it. 1 by e power infinity is 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity value is 0. Finally, this e power, already outside minus is there, I think. Sir, no, here h get cancelled, minus will be there. So then minus of 3 into e to the power of minus infinity plus 4 by 2 minus e to the power minus infinity. E power minus infinity is 0. So minus of 3 into 0 plus 4 by 2 minus 0. That is nothing but minus 2. minus 2. Okay, so here this is f dash of 0 minus left hand derivative, then we can find f dash of 0 plus. So f dash of 0 plus is equal to limit h tends to 0 plus. Okay, what is model h value? Here only can substitute directly with help of this equation. Like, okay, with help of this, what will you replace here? 0 plus means it's f dash of 0. 0 plus means h tends to 0. Here it is plus h 3 into e to the power of 1 by plus h plus 4 by 2 minus e to the power of 1 by h. Okay, here all divided by h again. Sorry, here h get cancelled. Okay, fine. Okay, ma, when I substitute 0 here, what is e power 1 by 0 will get? What is e power 1 by 0? E to the power of infinity is infinity. When I substitute directly in place of h0, we are getting infinity. So finally, what we are going to get here, 3 into infinity plus 4, that is infinity, by 2 minus infinity is minus infinity. So infinity by minus infinity value is what? Infinity by infinity is what? Yes? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, is infinity by infinity? Can I cancel? Is it minus 1? Yes? Yes? Pranita, what is infinity by infinity? I told you that some undefined values, undefined. There are nearly 6 undefined values are there. Yes, Deepika, and what is infinity by infinity? Motika, Nitin K. Can I note it down? These students are absent.
So infinity by infinity is not what we use infinity also.
Siddharth S.
These are undefined, sir.
Undefined. When I asking you only, not only Siddharth, anyone. Okay. Infinity by infinity undefined. Remember. So what are the undefined values are there? I told you in calculus, very, very important. What are the undefined? 0 by 0, infinity by infinity. Yes or no? 0 by 0 undefined.
Yes,
I'm going
sir.
to write 0 by 0. Very, very important. Infinity by infinity. Then,
1 by
yes,
infinity.
0 power 0. Yes, other undefined values.
1 by infinity.
1 by infinity is defined. 1 by infinity is we are writing as 0. Just now I have written here.
So 1 per infinity.
Exactly, 1 power infinity is undefined. Yes, 1 power infinity also undefined. Then other, there are 2 more undefined values are there.
Infinity power 0.
Infinity power 0, no. Infinity power, okay, 0 we can consider as undefined also. Fine. Because you know this is right, undefined. Any other?
0 into infinity.
Exactly. Last one. We have written 6 till now. One more undefined value is there. Infinity minus infinity. Okay, we don't know infinity minus infinity. Everyone, As a mathematics student, you must be remember all these undefined values. Okay, so remember everyone. Clear? Right. So these are the undefined. So when I substitute h value 0 here directly, it will becomes infinity by infinity. Infinity by infinity is undefined. See, everyone, first today, till today or tomorrow, you can finish continuity and differentiability concept, like level 1, level 2. You don't get sufficient before, like, for example, you're having exam on 10th means, till 6th or 7th, you can finish all that. Remaining 3 days, only revision. Like that, you have to practice. Okay, just 2 days before we have started practice means no use. Okay, fine. When I substitute directly here, we're getting infinity by infinity undefined. So that what shall we do? Whenever if we get an infinity by infinity student, not only this problem. So where, see here, if we substituting in place of h alone, we are getting infinity by infinity. So whatever the function which is related to h, that function you should take common. You should take common. Every question when you get infinity by infinity. I'm going to give more number of example. So like here, I want to take e to the power of 1 by h is common. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0. E to the power of 1 by h is common. Then 3 plus 4 by e to the power of 1 by h by e to the power of 1 by h is common. Then 2 by e to the power of 1 by h minus 1. I'm taking numerator, denominator, yeah, e to the power of 1 by h. Now you can substitute in place of h0. So 3 plus 4 by e to the power of 1 by 0, okay, by 2 by e to the power of 1 by 0 minus 1. Since we know that e to the power of 1 by 0 value is e to the power of infinity, e to the power of infinity is infinity. So when I substitute here, 3 plus 4 by infinity by 2 by infinity minus 1. See, something by infinity already it is. Yes. What about something by infinity? K by infinity value is clearly 0. So here 4 by infinity value is 0, 2 by infinity value is 0. So finally the answer is 3 plus 0 by 0 minus 1. So minus 3. This is the right hand derivative f dash of 0 plus. Therefore, is here f dash of 0 minus is equal to f dash of 0 plus? Equal or not equal? Yeah, here minus 2, here minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3. Okay, plus 3. Okay, sorry. Minus 3 because by minus 1 is there. Minus 2 not equal to minus 3. Anyhow, it is not differentiable. Not differentiable. And also see here, fourth option f dash of 0 plus. We found f dash of 0 plus, we got it minus 3. Minus 3, right? And so what is the correct here? Third option they given exist. No. Left hand derivative not equal. So that second option is correct. It is not differentiable at a 0, but it is continuous. It is continuous because f of 0 is equal to 0. Even if you substitute 0 into anything will be 0. 0 into anything will be 0. So it is clearly continuous, right? Next question. Okay, 10th one is given that f of x is differentiable. Already they given differentiable. And function of x variable. It is f of x is a function of x variable. So see what we have to do here. F of 2 is given. F dash of 3 we need to find. For that, is there the given any f of x? Function is given? No. They did not give an f of x. So first, with help of this given condition and the given values, first we need to find f of x value. What is f of x? After finding f of x, differentiate f of x, you are going to get f dash of x. In f dash of x, x value replaced by 3. Okay, right. I'm using the given condition. Can you tell me what is the given condition they given? Condition number 10. Students, what is the condition f of x into f of y is equal to f of x plus f of y plus f of xy minus 2. And f of 2 is equal to the given 5. F of 2 is equal to 5, then f dash of 3 we need to find. F dash of 3 is equal to 1. Okay, students, see here, for that what I want to do, okay, my anyone, I want to find first f of 0. F of 0, for that I am substituting x value, y value as 0. F of 0, f of 0 is equal to f of 0 plus f of 0 plus f of 0. 0 into 0, 0 minus 2. Okay, here f of 0, the whole square. What about this value? Shall I write 3 into f of 0? That you can take left side. Minus 3, minus 2 take left side. Okay, we got a quadratic equation in f of 0, right? When I take here, like f of 0 value as some x, let us consider. It is in the form of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. What are the x values? For 2. 2 on the minus 2 minus 1. So what are the x values? Plus 2 plus 1. This is a shortcut method. See, x square coefficient is 1, here 2 will be there. 1 into 2, 2 factors are 2 ones are 2. But here middle term as minus 3, so that you should take minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, and minus 2 minus 1 will be minus 3. It is satisfied. Whenever it is negative, the required x value becomes plus 2. Opposite sign. Minus 2 becomes plus 2, minus 1 becomes plus 1. These are the required rules. But in place of x, f of 0 will be there. So f of 0 value are 2 and f of 0 value is 1. So here f of 0 we got it at 2 values, 2 different values. Let's see which one we can consider as a value. Okay, this is, I found f of 0 value first. Then next, I want to do one thing. Let us take this is equation 1. This is equation 1. In that I want to replace, because here we require the function in terms of x. Y is equal to, I want to replace it 1 by x. I want to make them some standard form, so that I replace y is equal to 1 by x in equation 1, then equation 1 becomes f of x into f of y. So f of x into f of y is 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x plus f of x into 1 by x minus 2. Okay, minus 2. So x get cancelled, fine. So right, students, here f of 1 value is not given. Okay. Okay, here we required, see, can anyone tell that what is f of 1 value? See, I want to do one thing. In place of xy, I want to take as 1. Now in that case, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I want to replace this 1. What is f of 1? There are, we having two different values. One is 2, one is 1. I want to take f of 1 is equal to 2. F of 1 value as 2. I want to substitute here. Here we'll get f of 1. I want to substitute 2. So f of x plus, into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. We got this condition. Okay, ma? Right. Now what do you observe here? Since I want to write f of 1 is equal to 2, I am considered as 2. Because when I consider f of 1 as 2, there are two values. If I consider as 2, these two will be cancelled. We get like this. This is a standard form of functional. I have given few important conditions. Student, which one of the function which satisfy this condition? Yes, I told you very important condition I have written in previous class. Okay, like f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y, satisfied by f of x is equal to log x, and f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y is satisfied by f of x is equal to e power x. Okay, f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y, satisfied by f of x is equal to kx. I told you, like, I have written clearly 6 important properties. In that I said very clearly, this is the very important functional fraction, I said. Okay, even though we don't know which function which satisfy this condition.
1 plus or minus x power n.
Yes, immediately you have to respond. Whatever I said, it is very important. Student, try to remember. Okay, based on this condition, they'll ask in given already asked in JEE mains, even advanced also they asked 1 or 2 questions. In previous year's question, you can look at once. Okay, this function satisfies this condition. So now I want to consider this. Clearly see whether what is a n value. We want to find n value. For that they given one condition. F of 2 is equal to 5. Clearly they given condition f of 2 is equal to 5. Substitute here. F of 2 is equal to 1 plus, either you can take plus or minus. Okay, I want to take here plus. So nothing but 2 power n. F of 2 value already they given 5. 1 plus 2 power n. So what is n value which implies here? So 2 power n is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 2 power n is equal to 4. 4 can be written as 2 square, so n value finally 2. We got n value also. So what is the required function? F of x is clearly equal to 1 plus x square. Yes, we found now what is f of x. Okay, we got it here, f of x value. With help of this f of x, we can easily find f dash of 3. Now we can differentiate. What is f dash of x? Differentiate, so 0 plus 2x. But we required f dash of 3. 3 is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. 6 is the required answer, first option. See, Emma, you may get doubts, sir. Each question here, it will take mostly 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Because to understanding you, I explaining like this. So otherwise, you can write directly like this Within 1 or 2 minutes, we can easily do this problem. 1 or 2 minutes, more than enough. I have written here nearly 4 to 5 steps, not required. When I see that f dash of 2 is equal to 5 means, we can assume that okay, when x is equal to like 2 only, when n is equal to 2 alone, we are getting 5. Directly you can take and again differentiate in your mind. Okay, 2x will get in place of x up to 3, will get 6, like that mind calculation you can. Just 1 or 1.5 minutes is enough to do this. Okay, first I found f of 1. After that, we got in standard form. We know that the standard form, just differentiate, substitute value. 6 is the right answer, first option. Right, next question. It is also same form, f of x plus y plus z is equal to fx f y f z. So then f of 2 is they given 5, f of 0 they given 3. Then we need to find f dash of 2. Again here also we need to find, yes. I want to do one thing here, f dash of 2 they ask me. F of 2 already they given 5. So I want to do one thing, I want to take x is equal to some value like to get x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. But do see it clearly here, f of 2 already given. No? So, right, in this question, in 2 ways again we'll do the answer in the question number. Okay, tell me student, what is the condition they given? F of x plus y plus z is equal to fx, fy, fz. Right, f of 0 value they given. You know? So why do you substitute term? Let's see it, what will happen. F of 0 is equal to, we are going to get, like I want to find function value over here. I want to find function value. To find the function value, okay, in that case, f of 0 value is 3 now. When I take f of 0 value is 3, how it is possible to get f of 0 is 3? See, I'm verifying whether f of 0 is 3 or not. They given one condition here. I want to verify. So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. F of 0 into f of 0 into f of 0. Okay, f of 1, f of 0, f of 0 get cancelled. Okay. We cannot cancel, otherwise you can take all values at one side. Right side is f of 0 whole cube. Left side is f of 0, take it right side, is equal to 0. Now f of 0 is common. When I take f of 0 is common, f of 0 square minus 1 is equal to 0. So here we are getting two values, f of 0 is equal to 0, f of 0 whole square is equal to 1. So f of 0 is equal to plus or minus 1. We got two conditions again here, f of 0 value as 0, f of 0 value as plus or minus 1. But they given f of 0 as 3, f of 0 value as 3. It is wrong. F of 0 we got as 1 is 0 and another is plus or minus 1. Okay, let's see here. F of 2 value is 5 is given. Okay, student, to get first we have to find f of x. For that, if they given clear f of 2 value, I want to substitute y is equal to 2 as some z is equal to 0 something. Substitute here y is equal to x is equal to x alone, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 0, or your wish, because you know f of 2 value, so that one of the value I am taking as to y value as 2, or else you can take z as 2, y as 0. Z value as 2, y value as 0, no problem. So anyhow, so f of x plus 2 plus 0 is equal to f of x and f of 2 into f of 0 See here, if f of 0 is 0, what will happen? F of x plus 2 becomes 0. But given option, they given 15, 9, 16. So this condition is wrong. Okay, I think this is f dash of 0. Student, I think it is f dash of 0. Let's see whether that is f dash of 0 or not. Okay, so here I want to do one thing. So f of x plus 2 is equal to, right here we got f of 0 as 0. We are not taking f of 0 as 0. You can take plus or minus, please. Okay, I want to take f of 0 as 1, first case. So f of x into, like, what is f of 2 they given? Because all our positive values are given, so that we can take f of 0 as plus 1. Here plus or minus 1 is there. So f of x here into 5 into 1. So 5 f of x. Now all of you differentiate. When I differentiate on both sides, f dash of x plus 2 is equal to 5 into f dash of x. But what is the required answer? My f dash of 2. We need to find f dash of 2. So here we got this condition. For that, what shall I do here? Student, anyone?
X is equal to 0.
Okay, substitute x is equal to 0 here. F dash of 2 is equal to 5 into f dash of 0. What is f dash of 0? Yes, this is clearly f dash of 0 value. 3. Substitute here f dash of value 0 as 3. So 5 into 3, 15. Is there any option 15? Yes, first option. So I'll check once the correct option. Is that right answer? Yes, 11th one, first option. So student, you can change in your question. This is not f of 0. It's looking like f of 0. It's f dash of 0. Okay.